Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you exactly and step by step how you can use the drawing tool on Figma to draw by hand using the pencil tool. So let us get started right away. Head over to design or file on Figma. Let me go with this design here. And I'm not a talented painter, as you can see guys, so I created a smiley face like that using the pencil tool. So let me show you how you can do this guys. So you will need to access the pencil tool here at the bottom. Amongst these tools you will see the pen tool usually selected on default, so you will need to switch to the pencil tool by clicking into that arrow down icon and by selecting pencil, or you use the shortcut Shift P. And after that simply start drawing. Before I do that guys, switch to another color than white then, because usually white will be the default color and you won't see anything you draw. So before you start drawing with your left mouse, click into that color box in the top right corner and select your preferred color. So let me go with that greenish color here, and after that start drawing with your left mouse just like that, intuitively. So hold your left mouse and after that draw your shapes or lines or anything you like. So let me draw another smiley face. Let me zoom in a bit. Here we got that face and one eye and another one and a nose. So that's basically it. You may also customize your pencil tool, like for example, as previously mentioned, the color, or you may change and adjust the weight here by clicking into weight here and entering a custom number. Or the more intuitive way guys would be to left click and to hold your left mouse into the left edge of that box till the cursor switches to that double-headed arrow, and hold your left mouse and move your mouse to the right or to the left to adjust the pencil tool. So weight, so let me go with a pretty thick weight like that. You may also adjust the ending points, and yeah, as you can see the weight is pretty different now. And that's how you draw by hand on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.